So today I'm going to show you a little long tail cast on hack. When it comes to the long tail cast on, we never really know how much yarn we need in order to cast on. Many times we've got a tail that's way too long. Many times we've got a tail that we can't even make it to the end. So here's the trick. Just give yourself a little tail. Hold on to that tail. Let's say we have to cast on 50 stitches. We're literally going to wrap with the needle that we need to use. We're going to wrap our yarn 50 times. 50. Okay, so I'm going to stop it right there, and this is where my loop is going to be. Feel free at this point, if you prefer to do a slip knot, you can create your slip knot at this point. So just take your needle and loop it right into that spot where we counted the 50 stitches. Now you're going to take your pointer finger and your thumb, and you're going to come from the top and separate and open up your little triangle. Now you're going to rotate your thumb and your finger, and you're going to point them up in the same direction as your needle. You're going to take your needle and you're going to go up the thumb, down the finger, down the thumb, and off. Then we're just going to cinch that up. So I'll just start counting. So 47, 48, 49, and 50. And we're left with a good 5 to 6 inch tail, enough for weaving in the end. If you feel like you might be a little bit short, or you want to extra make sure without having excess, as you're wrapping them around, feel free, if you happen to go over the other stitches a little bit, that is fine too, but don't excessively go over other stitches. Otherwise, you're going to find your tail going to be, again, excessively long. Now, if you have 100 stitches or 300 stitches to cast on, what I do is I cast on my 50. Let's pretend we have 50. Then if this is 50, I know that I'll just double my yarn. So now I've got 100. And then I will triple my yarn, 150. Now I'm at 200, and so on and so forth, in order to get the equivalent number of stitches that you need to cast on. And that will give you the perfect tail every time. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this helpful. Please feel free to share this video and subscribe below. Thanks so much.